Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to read Instagram messages without opening them. First of all, open the Instagram app. Go to the search page. Then tap to open a user profile. Click on three dots from the top. Click on Restrict. Now tap on Dismiss. Next, go to your profile. From the home screen, go to Direct Messages. Refresh the page. Then, from the search bar, open that username which you have recently restricted. As you can read, they can't see any of your activity. Go to the profile page. Here, from the top, switch your account. After this, go to Direct Messages from the home page. Now open the message inbox of the previous account. Tap on the profile icon. Now click on Profile. So you can see the username here. Next, send some text messages. Once again, refresh the page and open the inbox. Now switch to the previous account as before. From the feed, go to Direct Messages. Tap to open the requests. Then open the messages of this restricted account. So the other person will not know that you have read the Instagram messages. Switch again to the account which had sent messages. From Direct Messages, you can see it's still not showing up as seen on Instagram messages. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.